Is your microphone not working in Google Meet? Whether other people can't hear you, your microphone isn't being detected, or your audio keeps cutting out, there are several easy fixes you can try. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix the Google Meet microphone not working issue in 2026. So let's get started. First, make sure Google Meet has permission to use your microphone. In your web browser, click the lock or site information icon next to the address bar and verify that microphone access is set to allow. If you're using the Google Meet mobile app, check your device's microphone permissions in the Settings app. Next, open Google Meet settings and go to the audio section. Make sure the correct microphone is selected, especially if you have multiple microphones connected. Yeah, Google Meet can sometimes choose the wrong input device. Make sure your microphone isn't muted in Google Meet, on your headset, or on your computer. Some microphones also have a physical mute switch that can easily be overlooked. I mean, it's a simple check, but it's one of the most common causes. Applications like Zoom, Microsoft Teams, Discord, OBS Studio, or voice recording software can sometimes block Google Meet from using your microphone. Close any unnecessary apps before testing again. Take a moment to reopen Google Meet after closing those applications. If the problem continues, restart your browser or device. You should also install any available browser updates, and on Windows, check for updated audio drivers using Device Manager or Windows Update. Software updates often resolve compatibility problems. Return to Google Meet and go to Setting Test your microphone again. Speak into the microphone and check whether the input level responds. If needed, try another browser or test the microphone in another application. So your Google Meet microphone should now be working correctly. And that's how to fix the Google Meet microphone not working issue. In most cases, checking permissions, selecting the correct microphone, and closing conflicting applications will solve the problem. I mean, keeping your browser and audio drivers updated can also help prevent similar issues in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.